Reverse tabletop for shoulder blade and upper arm strength. So sit yourself, legs bent up, maybe a little wider than the hips, and you have your arms back and to the sides. You can check to see for yourself which feels best on the wrists, whether it's backward or outward. Be mindful we're working these muscles and these muscles around the shoulder blades. There's some stages to this. So stage one is just to draw the shoulder blades down towards the hips. So getting that control of ability to draw the shoulder blades down. Feel that the chest and heart is just lightly open as you do that. So this is stage one. Stage two, draw the shoulder blades down, press through the hands and see if you can lift your bottoms up. And see how that works the muscles and the backs of the arms and the shoulder blades. So we're lifting, feeling strong and releasing. If you've got short arms, I've got longish arms, you may place your hands on books. Lift yourself up a little bit, might make it a little easier. The third stage of this is to come into full reverse tabletop. So draw shoulders down, press the floor, lift the bottoms and then shift the weight so that your bottoms move up and towards your knees as you bring your whole body up. Get that bit more stretch into the shoulders. Keep the chins and heads where it feels most comfortable for you. And then come back down with nice control. Like for bridging, you can do this dynamically, inhaling up, exhaling down, or you could hold it. And as you hold it there, press the heels, feel the back glutes work too. Press the palms, draw the shoulders down, breathe. And then relax. After doing this sort of thing, it's sometimes nice just to release out your wrists. And a few open and closes. Reverse tabletop for upper back, shoulder and upper arm strength.